I urge you to seal all loopholes to help raise more revenues to make Wasco self-reliant, especially in the settling of electricity bills and the operation expenditure. On matters of electricity, given that the bills are always high and at times affecting water supply due to electricity disconnections at our treatment plant, my administration is set to establish a solar plant to help address that issue. While I'm sitting here, I've just thought through that Kenya Power has become a nuisance. There is no way that they can always go to Kigati and disconnect power for essential service, whereas they have not been paying to the county the leeways. I want to direct the Minister for Finance that write to them, we want also them to pay our debts. Because there is no way they can always, if there is even somebody goes to a certain constituency, a member of parliament puts a street lighting, then we are billed as a county. They don't disconnect that line. They come to Treasury where we are operationalizing. They switch it off. They go to Wasco, they switch off. Tell them, tuheshimiane. Kama wanataka wacha wafunge kwingine, lakini sio mahali maji ama hospitali where we are getting essential services. They owe us close to 500 million. Na lazima tutafute a debt collector, aende atafute hiyo pesa, atuletee, tuwalipe, na wao walipe, na sisi tuwalipe, na sisi tuwalipe. Other is to sort out that one, because najua kwamba tutakuwa na vita na wao. Ile kitu tutafanya, Madam MD, I think I've asked you before that check, engage somebody to give us solar to help us pump the water. Data ya maji inapigwa naeka kwa maji. Tuachane na mambo ya Kenya Power. Both Kisii and Nyamira. I want to ask you, my brother from Nyamira. Yes. Have you set any money in it? Because we are paying and you want to walk away. I wish my colleague was here. We have a big problem. But everything is left for Kisii. But then, given that we are the big brother, we must take care of our brother who is the young brother.
Thank you.
That's our responsibility. Kwa hivyo tutaendelea kulipa. I'm happy, Madam MD. I saw yesterday I approved that 10 million for paying all the debts for Kenya Power. Again, we will not be disconnected. But as we are doing that, our Ngwana wapewe demand not but na sisi watulipe, and ask the county attorney's office to do everything for us to be able to get our money. Good people, I want to leave it there.